Hello all, welcome to the video. Today we are going to see about stratified sampling method. I am Dr.M.Nithya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Let's we see the topic. Stratified sampling. Stratified random sampling is the widely used statistical technique in which a population is divided into the different subgroups are based on some shared characteristics. The purpose of stratified random technique is to ensure that each group of the population make the inference about the specific population subgroups. In simple term, the stratified random sampling focused on the subgroup analysis is crucially for tailoring the treatment to specific patient groups, optimizing the healthcare outcomes. This technique is beneficial in case where the population is heterogeneous and a simple random sample may not provide the accurate result. By dividing the population into the subgroup, researcher can ensure that there is a simple representative of the population, and to avoid the sampling bias. Let's we see what is stratified random sampling in simple term. Stratified random sampling is a type of probability method using which a researcher or an organization can branch off entire population into the multiple non-overlapping homogeneous groups or randomly choose the final member from the various strata for the research, which reduce the cost and improve the efficiency. Member in the each of this group should be participated in the research. The sampling method is also called as random quota sampling method. Let's consider the situation where a researcher team seek opinion about the religion among the various age group. Instead of collecting the feedback from the whole population of particular country, randomly sample around 10,000 can be selected for the research. This 10,000 citizens can be divided into the subgroup like age 18 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and 60 and above. These are the subgroup of the population, total citizen, 10,000 citizen in the particular country. In this, each group will have the members and number of members in age, socio-economic division, nationality, religion, educational achievements and other classification. In simple term, we have to divide the population into the smaller units of subgroups is called as stratified random sampling. The stratified random sampling have 8 steps to conduct the research. First, we have to define the targeted audience. Next, recognize the stratification variable or variable and figure out the number of groups to be used in the study. Next, use an already existent sampling frame or create a new frame that inclusive of all the information and the stratification variable for the elements in targeted audience. Next, make the chances after evaluating the sampling frame on the bias of lack of coverage, over coverage or grouping. Next, considering the entire population, each stratum should be unique and should cover the each and every member in the population. Next, assign the random and unique number of each element. Figure out the size of the each stratum according to your requirements. The numerical distribution among all the elements in all the strata will determine the type of sampling to be implemented. It can either to be proportional or disproportional stratified sampling. Finally, the researcher can select the random elements from the each stratum to form the sample. A minimum of one piece must be chosen from the each stratum, so there is a representation from every stratum. But if two elements from each stratum are selected, quickly calculate the error margin and calculation of collecting data. Stratified random sampling is essential for researcher as it helps to increase the result validity and reliability. Use you can also use the analytical tools analyze your data, including the descriptive statistic, cross tabulation, and regression analysis. Thank you for watching.